Welcome to S&R Cooking Secrets. Today we're making something fresh, colorful, crunchy, and oh so delicious. A classic salad that's healthy and tasty. Cucumber 2, chopped into small cubes. Carrot 1, chopped. Tomatoes 2, diced. Onion 1, thinly sliced. Grab a bowl. First, we're adding our chopped cucumber, Kira. Add the chopped carrots, Gaya. You have to try this at home, your family is going to love it. And your health will thank you too. Add the tomatoes, Tamata. Add the sliced onions, Payaz. Look at these colors. It's like a rainbow. Lemon juice -2 tablespoons. You don't need a 5-star restaurant when you can create this masterpiece at home. Mixes everything with a spoon. Fresh, healthy, and loaded with flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel and turn on that little bell icon so you never miss another delicious recipe from me. See you next time with another exciting recipe. Until then, take care and happy eating.